believe this. Have you seen the state of those bamboos? What do you mean the state of the bamboos? Come and have a look. You planted them and you're going to give them a load of miracle grow, haven't you? You see how tall they are? You're never happy, are you? What's wrong with them? Have you seen how tall they are? No, not these ones. These ones here, look at the state of it. Look how tall it is. I told you shouldn't have given it that miracle grow. How are you going to cut that then?
Right, my friends.
It's about 30 foot tall.
Schoolboy error on my part. I've overdosed it on the miracle grow. Right.
Look how tall it is. Look.
Yeah, Poppy, come here a minute. Come here. I'll tell you how I'm going to cut them.
How are you going to do that then?
Right. I've got two options.
What are your options?
Right, option one, small child on roof.
Yeah, that might work, mightn't it?
Cut them. Option two, I get a bit of rope and I'll lasso and I'll pull them down and I'll chop them off. Three, I'll throw one of the Russells up and chew them in half.
What, one of the dogs? You think the dogs will chew?
Are you telling me they don't look nice?
They do look nice, but they're a bit tall.
Jesus, I'll tell you what.
Which one is that? It's one of those green ones.
Look, they've got some strength in them. You can literally pull yourself up with them. No, I'll probably just do that. Look. Just,
It's like a Christmas tree, isn't
sorry?
it? It's like a Christmas tree.
Yeah, probably put some Christmas lights on this one.
Yeah.
Now I can do it, but I'll tell you what surprised me.
How thick that one is.
The strength of it.
Yeah.
I
How
mean, look.
thick that one is.
I mean, if these were in the ground, look.
It's like a rope, isn't it? You
I mean,
pull
look.
yourself up.
Seriously. I mean, that is some. I mean, I'm 14 stone. Look, watch. I can see why they're useful in the jungle.
So
I'll
anyway, how are
probably
you
give 'em
going
I'll have to give them a trim, won't I? But I just think yeah, they've had a bit of growth spurt.
Yeah.
But
We give them a miracle grow, that's why they're so tall.
I think it's worth mentioning. I've got a confession to make as well. Not only did I give them miracle grow. You see how green some of this grass is?
Yeah.
Right, I had a bit of that leftover lawn fertiliser.
Lawn fertiliser.
And I threw that on there as well, thinking to give it a feed for the winter. But obviously it's turned into some damn mutant, hasn't it?
It's like
So-
4 times the size of it was.
So word of warning, well, word of advice warning. If you want bamboos like that, put some lawn fertiliser on it, because that's how you'll get it. If you don't want bamboos like that, don't put lawn fertiliser on them. We will have to trim them up, obviously, because they're getting out of control. But I'm just amazed how strong they are. I haven't been out for a few weeks, but anyway, that's black bamboo. It grows tall if you put fertiliser on it.
So there we go.
So buyer beware, seriously. But saying that, look, probably strong enough to hang your washing on, to be honest.
Yeah. Right.
I'll have enough there.